In a crowded city, where people are often indifferent to each other, I created an escape, a sanctuary. With good food, we can bring people together and foster them to share laughter. And that's why I love what I do. Hi, I'm Danny Yip, winner of the Icon Award for Asia 50 Best Restaurant 2024. I didn't start cooking in Hong Kong until I went to Australia to study in the 80s. While I was doing my degree, I worked in kitchens because I did not have money to pay for good food. I grew up in a humble family. Resources were limited. I was told by parents that I had to work hard, stay low profile, keep learning, so as to achieve something. So I did. The new chairman has relocated to a new place in Central. It feels like a warm, cozy home with plants, cookbooks, and artwork by artists from Hong Kong. I like to see everyone enjoying and relaxing just like being at home. Fresh and organic are the essence of Cantonese cooking. Because Chinese cooking has a very long and rich history, which is good. But sometimes it's been too long, so many people like to follow old recipes. We prefer to create our own recipes. We have quite a few signature dishes. Steamed crab with aged Chinese wine, smoked goose and camphor wood, and fish head with fermented chili are always on the list. When we opened the chairman 14 years ago, we never expected to receive any awards. I feel so honored receiving the Icon Award. I see the award more as a reminder to remind me so many other things we need to do in future. My hope for the next generation is always be yourself, stay focused, and be creative.